Hi there, my name is Audrey and welcome to my class on Watercolor Botanical Painting, the Peony edition. I'm the creative and owner of Things Unseen Designs, and on top of being a watercolorist, I'm also a calligrapher and educator. I love to help people recognize and achieve their creative potential. In this class, I'm going to walk you through every step from sketching, inking, tracing and transferring, to painting 3 large peonies and 3 smaller buds. It's going to be a big class, but I couldn't imagine breaking it up into smaller classes. With each peony, we'll build our knowledge on and practice of techniques such as wet on dry, wet on wet, layering, negative painting, and glazing. By the end of the class, you will know how to sketch and paint any peony using photo references, and even be able to paint a peony without a photo reference, because sometimes it's fun to just paint whatever your heart desires. Because this class is well over 4 hours long, I encourage you to take it in smaller chunks. For example, you could do all of the sketching videos in one session, and then you can dedicate one session for each of these peonies. Before you know it, you will have finished all of the sketching and painting and be a pro at it. To help you out, I provided a lot of downloadable files, such as the sketches we'll be creating during the class, photo references, and a list of all the supplies that I'll be using. You can find them in the Your Project section. Well, I'm excited to start painting with you. Let's grab our supplies and dive right in. I'll see you in class.